Wow.
Oh, she's eating egg. Baby, what are you eating?
She is happy.
She is happy. Oh, she's eating egg. Mmm. Ang daldalan ng bulinggit. Gusto po. Gusto po, Rode. Eme.
May galing.
Ano na doon? Kailang balot na yan? Tatlo na? Oh my God. Yung hindi pa ako tapos magbalat, ubos na yung prutas kay Bebe. Bebe ko, wag yan ito. Bebe. Wow, so happy naman ang Bebe ko. Dandahan, Bebe, dandahan. Tinan mo. Tama. Dandahan, Bebe ko, dandahan. Seedless naman yung orange. Sinusup-sup lang niya. Ate and baby eating fruits. Si ate medyo inuubo galing yung booking. Maybe after that, bebe, ikaw ay maliligo pa tayo, bebe. Bigyan si ate, bigyan si ate. Bigyan si ate. Tandahan. Ate daw, ate.